Bakit ko nakakalimutan yung mga steps? Hindi naman ako ganito dati ha. Try ulit tayo ng isa pa.
Una, kaya. Una, kaya. Ay! Una, kaya. Una, kaya. Ay! Una, kaya. Ay! Una, kaya. Ay!
Good morning, I'm Dr. Gusto po ang aking anak mo about that. How long have you been experiencing mapagod, magkatulog, at pananakit ng mga kasukas ko?
Medyo matagal na rin po, Doc. Dancer po kasi ako, kaya normal yung usapan.
Hindi maganda yung lahat. Mabuti na lang nadala kayo dito nung nawalan ka ng malayo. Kung hindi agad natin malalaman na masakit ka tayo. Yung sakit po. Unfortunately, yes. I'm sorry to tell you this, but your findings show that you have blood disease. Malala kung ano ito. Oo, mother's milk. Pero nagagamot naman siya. It's a long-term treatment, but I can assure you that she will be.
Nakakasayaw po po pa.
Lyme disease is a tick-borne illness that wreaks havoc on human body. It is very hard to identify since it's either you feel to scratch the tick or notice a rash. I suggest that you receive the treatment as soon as possible because the longer you have it, the harder it is. Let's do it. Ano kung dapat tayo? You will run a few medical trials and laboratory tests to identify the best solution for her case. We will also give her some IV infusions and antibiotics to help her fight the disease. Yes!
Sa dami lang nakapanood at nakakita ng pagsayaw namin, wala ba talaga kahit isa ang naka-appreciate nito? Is it not possible to bring back a part of our Philippine history, a piece of our identity as a Filipino? Will there ever be a time that people will learn to appreciate and value the beautiful traditional and cultural dances that symbolize our nationality? Ngayon na may sakit ako, oras na siguro para itigil na ang pangangarap na ito.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi tayo magpagkatalo sa sakit. Papagamot at gagaling ka. Kahit gaano pa katagal ang abutin ng gamutan mo, susiguraduhin ko gagaling at babalik ka sa pagsasayaw.
Para saan pa, Ma? What's the point of dancing again if nobody appreciates it?
Pahod ko ang gamutan ni Cass. Mukhang kailangan ko na talaga mag-ibang bansa.
O Raisa, yun ang wag na wag mong gagawin. Alam mo namang napakahirap ang mag-ibang bansa, di ba? Kaya Titina, tatawagan ko na lang si ate upang manghiram ng pera. O kaya, kumuha muna tayo ng loan.
Eh di bumaon na naman tayo sa utang. At saka hindi basta-basta yung perang kailangan natin. Kaya't hanggat kaya ko pang kumita, ay mapapagamot natin ang anak natin.
Natatakot ako yun. Natatakot ako na may mangyaring hindi maganda sa'yo doon. Lalo na't malayo ka sa amin.
Kaya ko. Sana kaya mo rin. Para kay Cass. Ilang taon lang naman yun. Mahalaga, gagaling at babalik sa pagsasayaw si Cass.
Ma, Pa, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil hindi na ako babalik sa pagsayaw.
Cass! Cass, tayo lang!
Hello?
Hi!
Miss Fiona. Yes po, I am almost done with the major revisions and the other details. I can send you the copy by tomorrow.
Can I treat you on Sunday, Cass?
Sure po.
Good! Finally, makikita na kita in person. You've been working with me for years, and never have I met you. I'm looking forward to meeting you, Cass. I'll message you the location on Saturday.
Okay po, ma'am. I'll send you on Sunday.
Okay. Bye!
For as far as I can remember, life's been good and bad to me. But I finally understand that's how it should be. For the past 5 years of receiving treatment with sky-reaching hospital bills, I can say that it was worth every breath I got to take every day. I also managed to have work from home as an assistant editor in a local publishing company. Since then, I've learned to open myself to more possibilities that outweigh the impossibility of something. This time, what matters to me is my family, my friends, my job, and my second chance in life.
Ayun na, kamusta?
Ayos lang po. Galing ako kahapon sa ospital. Sabi ng doktor, konti na lang igagaling na talaga ako.
Naku, saktong-sakto naman sa pag-migrate ng papa mo. Salamat naman anak at gumaling ka na.
Dapat pasalamatan dito ay kayo ni Papa, Ma. Thank you for providing everything para umabot ako hanggang dito.
At aabot ka pa hanggang dito. Alam mo ba anak, pag pumunta ka dito, pwede kong magtayo ng sarili mong dance studio. Karamihan kasi sa mga tinuturoan ko is mahilig sumayaw. So, marirecommend kita.
Ma, alam mo naman na hindi na po ako babalik sa pagsayaw. Kontento na po ako sa pagiging editor ng libro.
Pero anak,
Tapos na po tayo sa usapang yan, matagal na panahon na. Siya, ay ibababa ko na po muna. Tatawag na lang po ulit ako mamaya kapag nandito na si Papa.
siya, sige, text mo muna ako bago mo katawagan na. Bye-bye, ingat.
Hi! Finally got a chance to meet you in person. We've been always talking over the phone for the past years. It's so good to see you.
Pleasure to meet you, Miss Fiona. I thank you every day for trusting me to supervise and edit your stories.
Of course, you're the best of your publishing company. According to my friend, siya ang nag-push sa akin to write and publish my books. To pursue my passion, and isa kasi na kang main reason why I've come this far.
Miss Fiona, thank you. And it's really a pleasure to work with you for this long.
Hindi naman tayo abot kung ano ginagawa natin, di ba? I'm so glad I didn't give up on writing. Sabi ng parents ko, wala akong future dito. Pero look at me now. I can use my imagination and simple words to bring it to life. How about you? Paano ka na-in-love sa mga books?
5 years ago po, I was diagnosed with Lyme disease. And 5 years ago then, I was receiving treatment and therapy para gumaling. Truly a depressing stage for me because I feel like I can't do anything aside lying down on my bed, nodding through the pain, and thinking what torture I'll experience tomorrow. But when I read your book, I fell in love with the power of literature. What the words hold to touch the power of heart of the reader is purely magnificent for me. So although I am secluded in my room, editing your stories, I felt freedom and joy.
Wow, you have a story to publish yourself. I'm glad you're doing well after knowing that you've been through. Such a strong fighter.
Thank you, Miss Fiona.
Oh no! Mukhang kailangan ko na rin umalis agad eh. I need to pick up my daughter from her class.
Dance class?
Yes, she's doing ballet. Pero iba na ata ang gusto niyang gawin ngayon. Recently kasi, pinapahanap niya ako ng traditional dance teacher. May nakita ko siyang old video from TikTok na dalawang babae na sumasayaw ng ganung dance. Sobrang adventurous niya, grabe. Lahat lang nakikita niya sa internet ay gusto niyang itry. The power of social media. But it's kind of good kasi she wants to explore the cultural dance of our country, di ba?
Yes po. It's so refreshing to hear na may interesado pa rin po pala sa ganong dance class.
Right? Alam mo, sana makahanap ako na magtuturo sa kanya. She's so passionate and dedicated when it comes to dancing. Oops! go now. I'll see you again next time, class.
Yes, ma'am. I'll email you the update for your book. Thank you. Ingat.
Okay, you too. See you again next time.
Yes, you're doing really well now. Kung gusto mong tumalon, tumalon ka. If you want to jog, climb mountains, at sumayaw, do it. You can do whatever you want to, Cass.
The real villain of my story is not my disease, nor the people who criticized me before. It was me who killed my real self along the way. The truth is, I've been lying to myself. I've been trying to forget what I really want to do, for the sake of not hurting myself. Believing that dancing, a passion of mine, is not meant for me anymore, and will never be.
Paano po yung sa bilang po? Ng ano pa? So 8.
Nilikha ni Bathala ang agusan, buhay na simula.
Anak, kamusta ka dyan?
Anak, piling ko ba susunod dito sa Canada?
Ay, kahit po dito. Stop po yung trabaho ko dito. Ay siya, dalawin mo na lang kami ng papa mo dito ha. Pagpagod ka na, miss ka na namin.
Kailan kaya ibig itong unikaihan natin?
Pwede naman ka. Mabago pa nga lang ko yung pinamahal ang pagsayo. Gusto mo, mano pala ako ng bago? Sige po, tawag na po ako ng mga estudyante ko. Ingat kayo dyan. Ikaw rin. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, anak.
Bye-bye.
Tunay ngang there is a right timing for everything. Hindi ako nahuli at hindi ako mahuhuli sa indak ng panahon. Lahat ng bagay na nangyari ay naaari lamang sa panahon. Panahon para baguhin at ihanda ako sa mga magagandang pagbabago sa buhay ko. Hindi lamang pangarap ko ang natupad, kundi pangarap na rin ng mga taong nagmamahal sa kultura ng ating bansa. Ang tanging hiling ko na lang ngayon ay ang mas magpayabong pa ng mga susunod na henerasyon ang pagtangkilik na natatanggap ng mga sayaw, kanta at kultura ng Pilipinas at hindi kailanman sila mawala ng pag-asa.
Sumasayaw ang langit habang lupa'y umaawi. Sumasayaw ang langit habang lupa'y umaawi. Sumasayaw ang langit kay amin ng ilan. Upang matihang tayo ay pinagkita ng langit lubakay kasal ng kultura. Sumayaw, kumila, sumayaw, tala, sumayaw, kumila, sumayaw, tala, sumayaw, kumila, sumayaw, tala, sumayaw, kumila,